Weird space sounds detected by NASA. Imagine drifting through the silent vacuum of space, but suddenly, you hear something. NASA's spacecraft have detected strange, eerie sounds coming from the depths of space. These noises aren't just random static. They're real, and they're creepy. One of the most unsettling is the howl of Jupiter's magnetic field, a haunting whistling that echoes through space. But it gets weirder. Some sounds, like the mysterious hissing picked up by Voyager, are still unexplained. Are these signals from distant cosmic events? Or could they be something even more unsettling? With space being so vast, it's terrifying to think what might be out there, sending us these chilling signals.